In today's video, I'll show you how to create a project workspace in Microsoft Teams. This setup helps your team stay organized by keeping conversations, files, and tools all in one place. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. From the left-hand menu, click on Teams. At the top right corner, select Join or Create a Team, then click Create a Team. Choose how you want to build your team. You can create it from scratch or use an existing template, such as a Use This template. Select the team type, usually private or public, depending on who should have access. Enter a team name and description that clearly describes your project. Click Create. Once the team is created, start adding members to your project workspace. Next, create channels to organize your work. Click the three dots next to the team name and select Add Channel. Create channels for different parts of the project, such as planning, tasks, files, or updates. Inside each channel, you can add tabs to include tools your team uses. Click the plus icon to add apps like Planner, Excel, OneNote, or SharePoint. Upload or create files in the Files tab so everyone can collaborate in real time. Use posts and meetings within channels to keep project communication focused and easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully created a project workspace in Microsoft Teams to manage your work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.